Imagine lying on the beach, fully relaxed, enjoying life while your bank account grows effortlessly. Money worries are a thing of the past, and your income increases almost automatically. Sounds too good to be true? With the right strategies, this can become your reality. So stay with me, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you step by step how to build passive income. Here's an overview of the most important passive income sources. We start with dividends, which you receive from stocks you've invested in. In particular, we're talking about so-called dividend aristocrats. How to find them and what to look for when selecting them will be covered later. Next, we have rental income from properties you own. Later in the video, we'll discuss the key criteria to consider when selecting the right property. Income from your own online business with a focus on affiliate marketing programs. These allow you to promote products or services to others and earn a commission in return. How to find the best affiliate marketing programs and strategically place your affiliate links will be also covered later in this video. Finally, income from selling digital products, such as ebooks. I'll also explain how to find the best templates for an ebook and fill it with content that is valuable to your customers. Let's start with dividend payments from stocks you've invested in. To find suitable dividend stocks, you should use a stock screener, such as the website Stock Analysis. There, you can apply various filters to identify the most attractive dividend aristocrats. When setting the filters, you should first set the dividend yield to over 5%. This ensures attractive dividend payments. However, be cautious if the dividend yield is in the double-digit percentage range, as this could be a sign of financial instability within the company. Next, you should take a look at the company's dividend history. The company should have been paying dividends for at least 10 years and consistently increasing them annually during this period. Next is the payout ratio, which should be between 40% and 80% of the company's earnings. It shouldn't exceed 80%, as the company needs to retain enough funds to finance further growth. In general, you should ensure that the company is financially stable. This means having an equity ratio of over 30% and steadily increasing profits in the single-digit percentage range over the past years. Such a trend indicates that dividends are likely to continue growing in the future. Additionally, you should ensure sufficient diversification by including around 5 different dividend stocks in your portfolio. These companies should be located in different countries and belong to various industries. There are industries that are particularly known for so-called dividend aristocrats. These include energy, telecommunications, banking, and insurance, as well as the food industry. Last but not least, you should always reinvest your received dividends to benefit from the power of compound interest in the long run and exponentially grow your wealth. Now, let's take a look at rental income, which you can generate, for example, from owning multifamily properties. When looking to purchase a multifamily property, the first thing you should consider is its location. The location of a property is a crucial factor when deciding whether to invest in real estate. You should focus on regions that offer a strong job market, above-average infrastructure, and plenty of recreational opportunities to ensure a high quality of life. This increases the likelihood that your property will remain attractive to tenants in the long run, helping you minimize the risk of vacancies. Next, you should look at the gross rental yield, which should be above 5% to ensure attractive rental income and a worthwhile investment. You can calculate the gross rental yield by dividing the property's purchase price by the annual net cold rent. The net rental yield, on the other hand, should be around 4%. Unlike the gross rental yield, it accounts for ongoing property expenses, such as maintenance reserves or property management fees. You can calculate the net rental yield by determining the difference between annual income and annual expenses, then dividing this by the purchase price, including additional acquisition costs. When viewing a potentially interesting property, you should always bring in an appraiser. Through a detailed report, they can assess whether there is any backlog of necessary investments at the time of purchase. Additionally, they can provide a forecast of upcoming maintenance measures and their expected costs over the next few years. Ideally, there should be no urgent investment needs at the time of purchase, allowing you to plan future maintenance expenses at a comfortable pace. If available, you should also refer to the local rent index as a guideline for determining the net cold rent. Ideally, the net cold rent of the property you intend to purchase should be slightly below the values in the rent index. This gives you more flexibility in the future to implement potential rent increases. Maintenance measures, in particular, serve as strong arguments for fairly increasing rent over time, allowing you to further optimize your return on investment. Once you decided to purchase a property, it is essential to hire both a property manager and a tax advisor. The property manager should primarily handle tenant concerns, manage maintenance requests, and oversee planned repairs or improvements. The tax advisor, on the other hand, will help you maximize the tax benefits available through property rental. The combination of an attractive net cold rent and tax advantages can significantly boost your overall return on investment. Carefully examine the rental agreements in as much detail as possible. Ideally, there should be no history of missed rent payments by the tenants. In the best case, the tenants have lived in the property for many years and have proven to be reliable. Finally, you should enter all the collected information into a structured return on investment calculator. This will give you a clear overview of the property's cost structure. Based on the results, you can then carefully decide whether to proceed with the investment. You can find such calculators online for free, often in the form of Excel spreadsheets, by searching on Google. Now, let's move on to online business. There are many ways to make money online, but in this video, I want to focus on how you can do it with affiliate marketing. First, you should identify your own skills and strengths. What are your passions? In which areas have you already gained experience? Where have you accumulated knowledge? What value can you share with others? From this point, you can define your niche. Specialization is key. Your niche could be, for example, finance, teaching others how to build wealth; fitness, where you explain how to build muscle or improve endurance, or even how to create a workout plan; cars, where you showcase test drives and present reviews; or pets, where you discuss different dog breeds and what owners should consider depending on the breed, and much more. Next, choose your social media platforms. YouTube should be your foundation, as it allows you to create longer, more in-depth videos. Additionally, you can consider expanding to Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, where short-form videos tend to perform better. Now it's time to create content. You can either appear on camera yourself and present your content personally, or run a faceless channel. There's no right or wrong approach. What matters is that your content provides real value to your audience. Think about the problems your target audience faces and aim to solve them with your content. Next, you need to find the right affiliate programs for you. One way to do this is by using the website ClickBank. ClickBank allows you to discover high-paying affiliate programs within your niche. Start by clicking on Affiliate and then Affiliate Overview to get familiar with the platform. If you scroll down, you'll see a list of different niches. Once you're ready, click on Start here at the top. You'll be asked a few questions about your knowledge and experience. After completing this step, you can identify the best affiliate programs for your niche. From the affiliate programs you've identified, you can generate personalized affiliate links. Your goal is to encourage your audience to click on these links. To do this, you need to strategically place them within your content. On YouTube, for example, you can do this by going to YouTube Studio, clicking on Settings, then Upload Default Settings, and adding your affiliate link in the video description. Make sure to mention the link in your videos to drive engagement. Also, be aware that depending on legal regulations, you may be required to clearly disclose affiliate links. To wrap up this video, let's talk about digital products. Here, I want to show you how you can create and sell an ebook. The foundation is once again your knowledge and experience. Think about the areas where you have gained significant expertise and how you can share it with others by providing value. From this point, you develop a concrete product idea. The key question here is, what will your ebook be about? If you're in the finance niche, for example, you could write an ebook on investing for beginners. Next, choose a suitable ebook template. You can find such templates on websites like Canva. Here's a quick example. Type ebook template investing into the search bar at the top. Scroll down until you find a template that suits your needs. Click on it, and then preview the individual pages below. Once you've found the right one, use it as your base and customize it by clicking the button to create a new design. Next, you need to create the content for your ebook. You can use tools like ChatGPT and AI Solution, which belongs to OpenAI, to help with this. For example, I entered a specific prompt above, and as you can see, ChatGPT generated an initial structure with a table of contents and first ideas. However, you shouldn't just copy the content word for word. Instead, rewrite it in your own words and enrich it with your own knowledge. This makes the content more personal and unique. Before you put your ebook up for sale, you should go through a checklist to review its accuracy, spelling, and grammar. It's best to have someone else proofread it to ensure there are no mistakes. Finally, choose a suitable e-commerce platform to sell your ebook. A popular option for this is Etsy. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope I was able to give you some interesting ideas on how to build passive income. As you've seen, there are many different opportunities. Ultimately, it's up to you. If you truly believe in it, you can turn any of these opportunities into real money. I wish you the best of success and look forward to seeing you in my next video.